Had my guy come by. What's your name on YouTube?
At Korosu myself, it's kind of hard to
Right,
but just type in Koro and then it'll probably show up.
Man, he work on Hondas. He putting the what's that? The one you doing? I had one.
I'm working on the Civic right now.
Caribbean, the islands are out here.
The birthday girl.
Don't hide, because he doesn't eat you.
You know, there's always one uncle. Always one. Always one. That will always
Look at that, look at that.
Got G-Mama.
one uncle that will video every day, my man.
No, man, so I ain't supposed to be over here right now, but I'm still gonna make the most of my time. On this G body at all times, man. As I can see, everything is on there pretty much, but these gotta come back off. This control arm, this top control arm is evidently, my friend told me I got it on backwards. He said that the big hole is supposed to be on the front. And now let you know the direction of what it is. So I don't believe that I showed the other side. As you can see, I still have the hub bearing, the spindle. I haven't put them together. Just brought those bolts over here. And on this one, I still got to do that rear shock. So I put the bolts in on the rear shock. And another grease fit. And I always call it the wrong thing, but another grease fit in the bottom control arm. But as y'all can see, I did scratch it up. I did scratch it up a little bit. I wanted to be a lighter silver on the powder coat, but I just don't want to keep on. I wanted the bottom control arms to be powder coated black, but I just made up my mind I need to stop messing around. I need to stop messing around, stop playing. And because I know I'm impatient, I'm already ready to enjoy this car. But that's what it looks like from the top side. Look pretty good to me. But I do need to know, did I put these on backwards? I'm gonna turn them around because my partner, he already did it on his car. His YouTube channel is 87SS Boy. So I got this information right here from Dash's Garage. I'm pretty sure that Mr. Get In There has all this information up on his channel too. He has a lot of great YouTube channels. That boy say checking in with you. Yeah. And so that's the parts for just the hub bearing. And I'm gonna give y'all the part number. Is that Detroit axle. K5 13200. I guess, I don't know, that's it. Anyway, gonna put this together as soon as I get back over here. Go ahead and start setting it up. I just put the other one on there just to experiment. Keep on experimenting. That's all this is for me. Is just one big experiment. Not no expert. First restoration I did for myself. I'm tired of taking on work right now, so people be hitting me up. I may take on some work, but right now I'm just trying to get everything together. I'm finna go ahead and probably post my Raptor 350 for sale. Just right now I just need to run up some money. I don't even know what these things sell for right now. I do have a title for it. And man, I might ask, $2,500 for it or so. $2,000. For sure it'll sell for $2,000. But I think that this one is well kept. May need a bottom end, well, a top end rebuild. So that's going to kind of hit me a little bit on the on it, because you know, if you get a new one of these, man, you need to go ahead and just spend money, get it rebuilt. I'm thinking about and then, man, I got a dent in the rim. You know, it may need a new set of rims pretty soon. Definitely need a set of tires on the front. So I may just go ahead and get ready to invest some money into this, so I can get a little bit more money, just realistically, and talk to my mechanic about it and see how much it may be. I'm just finna just see what's how much gas is in the truck real quick. Just my niece, we having my niece's birthday party. I'm in Mrs. Tropicana today. I can bring her out every now and then. It's been a lot of sap on the car. I'm sitting near a pecan tree every day. I don't know what that pecan tree got going on, but that's what it's doing to the cars. It almost had like a glitter effect. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so damn hot out here today that man, it's too daggone hot out here today. Let's see what we got. I may fire this one up in a minute. Oh, we got a quarter tank. I won't be taking that one today. Oh, but let me go ahead and do what I need to do real quick. But that's really the only update on that. Just focusing on this one. Whatever I got coming in, you know what I mean, it'll help me go ahead and get this one where I need it to be at. And I'd rather choose my motorcycle, my first motorcycle, over this one. Everybody had so much fun with this one, but now it's time for me to just go ahead and part ways. This has been one of my most faithful and most reliable four-wheelers of all times. But yeah, man, we got to figure the summer toys out. You know what I mean? Just a few of them. It's 4 over here, and we got a few at the house. But anyway, man, let me go ahead and do what I got to do, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Dremel home. I'm gonna have it with me. I'm actually just gonna get the bit for it, so I can drill out these brake calipers, clean out the brake calipers. I'll show y'all the drill bit real quick, and I'm gonna pop the trunk so y'all can see kind of what I'm dealing with. Oh man. On the Dremel bit, get this Dremel bit right here. Oh. You gotta pull out those brake calipers, but these the boots right here. Tapping them in. My boy George, man, shout out to my boy George at the barbershop. He tried to help me out. We done got kind of far with it, but it's still not ready to install. You know, I'm gonna let y'all see all the imperfections, man, so y'all, you know, y'all might learn about my mistakes. You know what I mean? Still look really good. But he was having a hard time getting the boot in because on this side it's a bunch of powder, and George is actually explaining to me what's going on. There's a couple chips and different things on there, but this is my first build, first restoration, and I'm going crazy. You know what I mean? I'm going cray. So yeah, man. Let's see. I'll keep those. I think that's how that's gonna go, man. JSP don't want to work on it right now. Got some other stuff going on, I guess, but we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna close that up. I'm not gonna mess with the truck today. I got all my trash together. I'm gonna close this one up. It is 100 degrees today, man. It is 100 degrees and there's no breeze in this shop, man. This shit's torture. But Go ahead and start shutting everything down. And it feel good when you ain't got to move all your stuff around and clean up every day. I got the freedom to do what I want to do when I want to do it. And that's the best feeling ever right there for me, to be able to finally do something for myself. You know what I mean? So the blood, sweat, the busted knuckles, the tears, the headaches, all that, man. It's all gonna be worth it when it come together. You know what I mean? I can't believe I got myself this far. You know what I mean? I don't know how many boats I probably done stripped along the way. Everything on this thing could be stripped and correct by A. We'll figure it out as we go. For sure. You know what I mean? I was looking at my tie rod ends. I don't even know they on there correctly for sure. You know what I mean? Cause Buddy told me that the tie rods were on backwards before. So I'm like, I've been told that was backwards, I'm taking the criticism and I'm running with it. You know what I mean? I'm okay with it. I can handle it. You know what I mean? If it's positive criticism, things that may help me, I'm all for that. Now, if you just somebody that just dry ass want to see me not win, hey man, just keep that energy and keep those opinions to yourself. You know what I mean? Because, you know, I'm here to help the people that want to learn, that want to do their stuff themselves. Or if you just want to be able to have a shop do it and you know if it's correct. Because your shit look like mine, it probably ain't correct. You know what I mean? This is the honest truth right there. But I ain't no professional. So I got these bolts at Ace Hardware. And these are the ones I'm putting in the lower. I did go get the same pitch. It's not a spike like that. And I got the bolt and I got the nuts. And this 14, I believe both of them are 14s now. But these are those ones that Dashes the Garage was talking about. And these are what's gonna go in the spindle. I'll give y'all the part number. And these are the Dormans. I got these at O'Reilly's. So there it is. Y'all got it right there. Y'all know everything that I know. At this point in time, I know I need 3 of those. And I'm gonna have to get some bolts to put the brakes on there. Man, I know I need to put some damn Loctite on some shit too. I ain't put no Loctite on nothing thus far. I'm glad I didn't, because right now I would hate to have to go through all the headache. But I don't even think them shims supposed to be that thick on there, because those are shims from the original. But it is what it is. We'll figure it out as we go. Still need to go get that harness. I think about it every blue moon. I think about it every now and then. I think I threw it back in the trunk. Still need to go get that harness from my boy Steve, man. One thing at a time, man. I'm in a little setback right now. So we gotta do what we gotta do to catch up. We gotta sell what we gotta sell. Fix what we gotta fix. Paint what we gotta paint. Whatever. Disassemble, reassemble. Wrap what we gotta wrap. Cut as many heads, edge up, shades, whatever I gotta do right now, man. As long as it's legit, man. That's what we gotta do. And it's Jaime. What's up, man? Yes, sir. Ooh. Yes, yeah. They look good together.
You need to use your window thing because, baby, it's going to start melting and stuff.
I already did. I already be using it. I just ain't do it right now. Oh, man. So, as y'all can see, I'm trying to put these bolts in there. Go ahead and tighten up that shop. Go ahead and put it on in there. It's hot as hell in here, but have my guy come by. What's your name on YouTube?
At Korosu myself, it's kind of hard to
write,
but just type in Koro and then it'll probably show up.
Man, he work on Hondas. He putting what's that? The one you doing? I had one.
I'm working on the Civic right now.
But you're doing a lot of integral parts.
Yeah, a lot
I'm
of
seeing
a lot of Hondas. Right now I have a mixture of Hondas and Nissans. So really I'm just doing like the everyday man. Same thing as my man Blaze. You know, out here he's working at a shop. He went and invited me, come over here, check out what he's got going on. He's got a Monte Carlo.
Yes.
Yeah.
86. Cool. And we pretty much doing the same thing. It's just, I feel like with the Honda though, it's easier for you to find parts.
Oh yeah.
But you're doing your research, and that's what I think I really, really love. Because see, with mine, I don't have to do a lot of research because it's readily available. And I think that with your car, that you are giving content that only somebody that really, really will understand what you're
Right,
doing
like-
would appreciate it.
Yeah.
And I feel like with the Honda community, you get a lot more love and respect than when y'all do Chevy, because it's like with the Chevy community, everybody like, oh, you just doing what everybody else doing. Or they're like, oh man, somebody's spending $30,000. They're doing LS swap. Like me, I'm doing a carburetor swap on this car. I'm doing a 383 stroker, small block carburetor, old school shit. But I did a Vortec motor, which is a newer motor. I'm doing things kind of little mix and match. It's,
Okay. Yeah, you're doing something new. Yeah.
I'm doing something different. I'm doing my own thing. But I feel like in the Honda community, it's all about the K-swap.
Yeah, that's probably like the most. Right now, it's getting more affordable. It's
Yes.
the most popular one. The most
I mean, a K22A can put out 1,000 horsepower. That's
Yeah.
impressive from a 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
See, you ain't think I knew nothing about that. I know about the B's, I know about the K's, I know about the J. I had an Acura. I'm a big third gen Acura guy.
Okay.
I love the J23s.
Oh yeah, J series.
Yeah, yeah, it's the J series. I'm a big J guy, man. I love the Acura. The 05, I was looking for one, that third gen, but this is a car that I've been having for a very long time. All my subscribers and stuff, man. Man, y'all gonna subscribe to his channel, man. He came through, very humble guy, great energy, and we got a lot of mutual friends. So I feel like my friends is his friends. I feel like me and him been friends already,
It's
but
like a small world, you know.
yes, most definitely. Y'all go subscribe to the channel. Man, we gonna see what we can do, man. You know, he's very ambitious and he just like me, man. He a dog. We gonna get to it, but this was his first time coming to Straight Line Customs, so I'm glad that he was able to come through. And he caught me when I was in the middle of about to start screaming obscene things, because the way this boat is angled and everything, I'm trying to get it tight up under the bottom. I'm telling you, bro, I've been really nervous. This is my first time doing everything, man. You make it look so easy when I watch your content.
Oh, trust me, man, it's not. I'm editing all of that out.
Other day though, when you was welding that exhaust, I was like, wow, dude, the stick welding. See, I MIG.
Oh, okay.
I MIG weld. I don't know how to
people were
stick
telling me
weld.
that's easier, like better for exhaust welding too.
I don't know.
Like old school.
Yeah, you doing the old school way for sure. That's why I respected it though, man.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, man. But hey, man, we finna go ahead and chop it up. I'm excited. I don't bring many people to the shop, but man, cool dude, man. I just got some things I wanted to show him, and y'all just stay tuned, man. See what collaborations we can come up with later, man. You say you got some stuff that they made, some raps possibly.
Yeah, you're looking to getting wraps done. Oh man, we might have to do some experimenting here at the shop. That'd be cool.
Y'all stay tuned, man.